Hey everyone, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, so I wasn't sure I was going to actually get to a video today, but here I am. Friday I had a sick kid. He's much better now, but last night I had a sick husband, so I didn't get a lot of sleep. Thankfully, I still feel pretty good. I feel like I got enough sleep even though, like, time-wise I didn't. So here I am, short video, just going to share a couple things with you because a short video is better than no video. I wanted to share my sugar and spice journals with you today, but I wasn't able to get them finished this morning like I hoped, so they should be done for tomorrow's video or Wednesday's video, depending upon when I get a chance to actually work on them. But I do have a small haul for you today from Craspire that I think you'll enjoy, and I'll have links and a coupon code in the description box below in case you wish to purchase them or purchase something else on their website. And then I have one journal. It's a challenge journal from Catherine Dent, and she sent me a few goodies. So another mini haul. So 2 mini hauls and a journal for sale. And I just hope that you'll enjoy it, and we'll spend a few minutes together and get a little bit of inspiration to get us through the rest of the day. All right, I'm going to turn you around now and show you what's up. Okay, here we are. All right. I'm going to start with the haul from Craspire. It's just really short. I have a project planned that I'm going to be creating something with these next week, hopefully. And I have, okay, so I got metallic paper. They sent me this stuff. I got to pick it out, but wow, seeing it in person is so much prettier. These are super heavy. And look at these gorgeous metallic colors. They're so pretty. So I hope to do a tutorial next week using these, make some journal covers, and also using, so I got 2 packs of these metallic papers, and they're nice and, like I said, nice and heavy. They're beautiful. So excited to get those. And then I'm going to be using my new wax seal. And so I never thought that I was actually going to like collect wax seals, like the handles. I thought if I had 1 or 2 handles, I could just keep changing out the head. But if you remember my last haul, I got an amethyst one and I just loved it. So I have this green one. I think it's just painted wood, but it's so pretty. It's this like kind of pear color green. I'll put the link below. That just is over the tip, and screw it on any wax seal. And this is the one I got. Isn't it so cute? It's a hedgehog and a dandelion. So cute. And it's perfect because I just released a new digital kit called Dandelion Polka. So this would go so cute with that as well, but that's going to be part of this tutorial. I hope to get to that next week. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. And then the other thing I got were these bags from them. Yes, they have wax seals, but they have beautiful like paper crafting and stationery supplies as well. These are nice and thick. I love the script on them. So these are great for putting into journals or using for packaging if you run a small shop, something like that. They have nice quantity and nice quality. Really been happy with the things that I've gotten from Craspire, and so I'll put those links in the description box below for you. That was that one mini haul. And the other mini haul, Catherine sent me some goodies. It was so sweet of her. She sent me this book, Reader's Digest Treasury of Best Loved Songs. And this is an old book. I don't know, 1970s. Oh, I love these so much. They have that wonderful patina and texture to them. Thank you for sending me this. Oh, I love that so much. And then she sent me, look at this, the Country Diary cross stitch book. I did not know this even existed. How pretty is that? Really pretty. Thank you. And then some fabrics, some doilies. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, I did have a question for you guys while I'm thinking of it. After I complete sugar and spice, I want to make some more journal. Oh, look at that fabric. Oh, thank you. It's so pretty. And some linens. Wow, you spoiled me. Thank you so much, Catherine. in with my fabrics, and these with my books. So exciting. All right, find a place for them. There we go. Perfect. I want to show you, this was unplanned, but I'm going to show you anyway. Oh, where did I put it? That's the problem with unplanned things. Don't remember where I put it. I'm sure I'll find it, but I don't want to waste your time. So I have a gray, lightweight type of like a sweater type material, and it's from an old shirt that I want to do upcycle into a journal cover. And I was wondering, what journal would you do with gray as not the main color, but the color of the cover? What would you do? What digitals would you use, or what theme would you do? Like, I'm thinking maybe gray and pink, but then do I want to do florals? I feel like there's an obvious answer here I'm missing. So put it in the comments below. I'd love to get your opinion on that. All right, so here's the journal that's been added to the shop. Isn't it pretty? Love the pansies. The black ruffle lace. This is called Music Blooms. And it's a challenge journal, so she's used Luella neutral vintage cut-aparts, Pansy Ephemera, Music Blooms. Those are all in my shop, which is linked below. And then Louise Heinzel on Etsy, and Angela Kerr. She's used digitals from them as well. So this is Luella there as well. It's been so nice to see these beautiful creations you guys have been doing for the challenges. If you'd like to join, I'd love to have you join in on the next challenge, and send me your journal with the digitals that I pick, and I'll send you extra commission on it once it sells. So it's a lot of fun. You can send me an email about that if you're interested. This is pretty. These are a little bit thicker pages too, so if you like that aesthetic of having a thicker page to a journal, these feel really nice. Love just the neutral feel to it. Adding in those coffee dyed pages. There's Luella. This one's Music Blooms. This is from Music Blooms as well. Luella. Music Blooms. Beautiful use of doilies. This is from Script and Lace. Some of these are. I love how you can see detail on these pages, but they're nice and light and you can just write over them. I would say a perfect journal for a writer. Script and Lace, Script and Lace, neutral vintage cut-aparts, little ephemera pieces. This is Canadian Wildflower Script journal cards. That's also in my shop. Got a pocket here from Music Blooms. So pretty. I love it, Catherine. Love your reinforcement. This journal will last a very long time. It is very well made, and I know that somebody will absolutely adore it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you check back tomorrow, and I'm hoping I have those sugar and spice journals complete. They each have 4 signatures. They take a little while. They're all together. I'm just decorating the second journal, and I am a little over halfway, maybe halfway done decorating that journal. So I'll either finish it this evening or tomorrow morning. That's the hope. If not, then I will do a different type video tomorrow and push that one off till Thursday or Wednesday, whatever today and the next day are. I'm confused. This is also my boys' spirit week at school. So every week they have a different theme that they're dressing up as and all of that. So I'm spending extra time helping them with that. And I'm also doing a nutrition challenge with my gym that incorporates more than just nutrition, but there's a whole bunch of other habits and things. So I'm trying to keep up with all of that and my shop. And I love you all so much, and I appreciate your patience and your kindness. Don't forget to check out my shop and see what might be lurking in the shadows there that needs a new home. I think you'll enjoy some of the stuff there. Have a great day.